Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Karen Brook-Feldman. I'm the school psychologist or feeling doctor. I just wanted to welcome you and to wish you a good new year. I am going to be working with your children either virtually or in school. Some kids I work with occasionally and some kids I do work with more continuously, but whatever the case, I'm happy if you want to reach out to me. The best way to reach me is by email. It is by my last name, feldmanc@harrisoncsd.org, and I look forward to working with you. Bye!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Baltz. I am the resource room teacher here at Harrison Avenue School. I see children 5 out of the 6-day cycle. I see them both in person and I see them virtually on the days that they are at home through Google Meets. I address their IEP goals and I work in collaboration with the psychologists, the speech therapist, and their classroom teachers and the rest of the team to develop programs for them and to work with your children in a meaningful way. Have a great day.
Hi, I am Dr. Liz Argiro. I'm the speech and language pathologist here at Harrison Avenue School. I will be working with your children on speech and language goals throughout the year. Sometimes we'll be having sessions at home and sometimes we'll be having sessions at school. If you have any particular questions about your child's speech and language goals or their schedule, the best way to get in touch with me is via email, argiroe@harrisoncsd.org. I would love to hear from you and I'm looking forward to having a great year. See you soon.